welcome back to my vlog. Well, no, wow, I can't even film today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another behind the scenes vlog. Today is Monday, October 26th, and we are just working on some orders. I'm gonna be designing some stuff. I'm also outlining the foil course for my courses, and I'm really excited about that. I know a lot of people have been asking about that, so I am working on that, and my goal, my plan is to release it December 1st. So with this course, it's going to be like a mini course, and I'm going to have everything already filmed, ready to go. So when you purchase it, you have access to the whole thing. Unlike my other course where when people signed up when it first launched, it was like you got new stuff weekly. This is going to be all already done. But yes, the foil course is happening. December 1st is my goal, which there should be no reason why that doesn't happen. So I'm working on that today, possibly filming the first video of it today as well. And then I have stuff to work on for my video that's going live tomorrow. So it's just a busy work day, trying to get it all done. And I'm also planning out stuff to add to my shop that are not stickers. So have that going on. So there's just a lot going on today, and it's just kind of gloomy outside, and so it's, I don't know, putting me in a, like, I just want to sleep all day kind of mood, but I can't do that. I have to work. So first things first, I'm working on these orders so I can get them in the mailbox, and then I'm going to be doing all the video stuff because I want to get that done because that goes up tomorrow, and then we're working on designing and foil course outline and all of that stuff. So yeah, I just figured I'd pop on, say hello, good morning, happy Monday, all that fun stuff. Okay, slight change of plans. I forgot, like, I have a ton of stuff in stock that I just want to get rid of. So I'm going to be putting together some grab bags because I've got stuff that, like, you know, I know isn't going to sell and, like, on its own because we're past, like, that season or whatever. So I'm just going to go ahead and assemble some grab bags and show you guys that. I was in the middle of filming a plan with me, and I remembered that I was vlogging and I should, like, show you guys. So this is kind of the behind the scenes. We've got that camera going and recording, and I'm not even down here. We've got just a mess. I've got my tea. So I'm gonna set you guys up and kind of show you the behind the scenes of filming this plan with me. So I just finished filming the plan with me, and I also filmed the intro to the other video, so I need to go edit and upload that right now. I also just finished I also just finished my afternoon cup of tea in my Jurassic Park 25th anniversary edition of my mug. I got that at Universal Studios 2 years ago. Yeah, I think it was 2 years ago. So yeah, that's what's going on. I really haven't done, I feel like I've not done a lot of work today. I've just kind of had like a blah morning. I've been on the phone. Unfortunately, there was some stuff that happened with family members last week that was really, really sad and unfortunate, and just kind of dealing with it and processing it. And, you know, so I'm talking to like more people on the phone about different situations. Anyway, I'm not going to go into it because it's not really mine to tell, but, so I have been on the phone a little bit more than I normally am. So I just feel like I've not really gotten in the zone, but I also just feel like I'm not really motivated to do sticker stuff today. And I need to change that because I need to get New Year's kits up this Friday. But I also don't have the artwork because my sister hasn't finished all of it. So I think that I'm going to go try to find, I know there was a clip art set that I saw from one of the clip art shops that I really love, and I don't remember which one, but they came out with New Year's clip art, and I'm going to do that as one kit. And then I have artwork for my sister, but I'm changing the color, so it's going to be 3 different kits, even though the artwork's going to be the same, but the color scheme is going to be different. So I'm planning on 4 kits, 4 like weekly kits. And then I should also probably do the January kits because it's almost November. How is it almost November? So I think that's my plan this week, is to get that done, the weekly kits and then the monthly kits. Yeah, so I'm going to do a little bit of designing today. I'm going to do a little bit of designing tomorrow, and just like so on and so forth until I get it done. But actually, maybe I could push the January kits to next week, although that's pushing it kind of close. I guess not. Okay. That's what I'll do. I'll do the New Year's weekly kits for this Friday and the January kits for next Friday, because I don't like to put too much on my plate for one week, because I am trying to branch out and do other things besides stickers. So I don't want to just overload my plans with just stickers this week. All right, I'm going to go back into my office and look for some clip art, start the design process. It is, what time is it? It is almost 2:30. Holy cow. It's almost 2:30 today. I need to get on the ball here. I know I literally just said that I was going to shop for some clip art, which I did, but I also installed InDesign. So I'm going to start working on some planner inserts, which I'm really excited about. So now I have to like learn how to use InDesign. But I will real quickly show you guys the clip art that I'm going to be using for New Year's Eve. So here's a sneak peek of it. I'm obsessed with the colors. I'm obsessed with the clip art. There's more to it than this, but this is like one of the scenes. So yeah, pretty pumped about that. So anyway, yeah, gotta learn InDesign. I'm a little nervous because I've never opened InDesign, but James said that this is the program he would recommend for doing like planner inserts or planners or just whatever. So my goal is to add planner inserts to my shop and then eventually branch out and do like my own planner, but that's like way far down the road. Like first I gotta, you know, get these inserts done. So I have one insert that I've done, but I did it in Silhouette Studio, and so I want to try to like do it here. And I think it's like perfect for shop owners, which is why I want to get it done, because I haven't seen anyone else do anything like this. So I want to get it done because I use it like all the time whenever I'm prepping like my new stickers, my new releases. So I want to make sure that I get it done and in my shop. So I think starting out, I'm going to do like digital, like printable kind of stuff. And maybe eventually when I like buy more equipment, do actual like where I print them and cut them down to size for you guys and whatever, you know. But right now I think they're just going to be printables because, you know, cutting everything is kind of a pain, and I want to get like one of those fancy smancy like cutting tools, you know? So anyway, all right, I'm just putting off trying to learn this. So let's set up the camera and let's learn InDesign. Okay guys, I just designed my first set of inserts. I mainly made these for me, but I will put them in the shop eventually. Right now I'm testing them out and I don't know. They're printing. But I don't know how this is gonna go. So anyway, I'm excited. I like the design of them, but I've got to figure out, like, this isn't really gonna be there. I mean, it is there, but it's mainly just for so I know where my hole punches go, if that makes sense. So I don't know, I feel like for my first time using InDesign and trying to design inserts, not bad. I'm obviously not a professional in InDesign. This is literally my first time opening the program and using it, but I feel like I did all right. Although I might just want to go back to Silhouette Studio because at least I'm familiar with that and I feel like it would be a lot faster, but oh well. Okay, you guys, here is my insert in my planner. I'm gonna have to adjust this and then buy a better paper cutter. I know everybody like swears by these, but I've never had any luck. I've owned like, I think this is my third one of these and they all suck. So I'm gonna have to get like a heavy duty one, especially if I want to like sell these where I print and cut them for you guys. I'm definitely gonna need a better one because it doesn't cut even at all. So anyway, I put this in my planner. I like it, other than the fact that it didn't cut right because of that, but I do like it. Once I get all of it straightened out and I get it like perfected, then I'm gonna list it on my website and probably Etsy, so stay tuned. Okay, after a nice break, aka going to get our groceries, making dinner, having dinner, watching an episode of Lost, we are back working. So normally I don't work after 5, 6, whenever James gets off, but he's working on like a video game thing or something that he wants to do. So I was like, perfect, I have a ton of stuff that I can be doing for my shop. So that's what we are doing. I have been looking into paper cutters, like heavy duty, like actually will cut straight and, you know. So I'm really thinking that inserts might be coming to the shop really soon. I'm just working all the like little tweaks and everything out, but yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Just gonna work on that. I might design the one New Year's kit. I was like, what am I thinking? I might go ahead and design the one New Year's kit that I already have clip art for. And then when my sister's done working, I think she gets off in 2 hours, I can see what she's got in the way of like New Year's stuff for like the hand-drawn kits. So I think that's what I might do. But I also need to edit yesterday's or tomorrow's video. But I can do that in the morning because it's not gonna be hard to edit. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep working on designing stuff. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna work on designing New Year's.